Happy sunny Sunday from Orhem in Stockholm. It is exactly 4 p.m. and it is time for yet another beach adventure with Kris. Today I am going somewhere closer to my home, just 10 kilometers away from my home on Lake Drevviken, as yesterday I was cycling 62 kilometers to the sea in Orsta Houseboat in Haninge. 22nd of June, second day of Midsummer. It's still a super long day, even though the longest day has been yesterday. And this is my beach spot for today, these rocks in Orhem, where I am all alone. And quite nice indeed. Here we have my Cube road racer bike that got me here, and I wanted to take my other bike, Ghost, which is a hybrid bike, but unfortunately I have sad news. That bike was stolen from the cycling garage that we have in the building. So I'm so sad because I was so attached to that bike, and I was showing you that bike a few days ago actually on my channel, the red one, Ghost bike, even though it was locked with quite a heavy lock. Someone has stolen it, so I need to report it to the police and to the insurance. So let's see what is going to happen. But now I am one bike short, so now I have only the Cube road racer and my gravel bike that has a flat tire, so basically only the road racer. I would have taken the hybrid Ghost bike for this adventure, but it is what it is. Anyway, I can't complain. I am on the beautiful lake, and we'll probably need to buy a new hybrid bike for shorter distances like this. Let's see what the insurance says first. Beach day number 37, I think it is today, and the weather is going to get worse and worse next week, and I'm a bit sad because I'm traveling on Tuesday and Wednesday to a different town in north of Sweden. My first time it's going to be North Sweden, and the forecast doesn't look good. It's gonna rain and it's gonna be maximum of 14 degrees. It's gonna be about the same even in Stockholm, slightly warmer, but rain it will be as well. This is the Orhem forest, as I have mentioned already, and on the other side we have Huddinge and Stortorpsbadet that I have shown you a few days ago, where I was swimming and found a rock in the middle of the lake. Now this same lake Drevviken, and the temperature in the water today is 18 degrees Celsius. Almost the same like in the air, where we have 19 degrees Celsius. So yeah, let's then go in and take a swim in Lake Drevviken on this beautiful Sunday, despite I am being sad for my stolen bike, obviously. It's gonna be very hard to find a similar beautiful bike like that red one. German quality also. It was cool. Now let's go in for a swim. Ready, set, and go! Yes, so amazing and so nice. I'm in a happy place and all the worries are away when I go in for a swim in the beautiful waters in Stockholm. Whew. It's a bit chilly than I thought, despite being 18 degrees. Look at this beautiful nature all around. And yeah, I'm very tired. My legs are very tired from yesterday's tour to the Baltic Sea, but it was amazing. The sea is always amazing, And now I really need to fix my gravel bike because I want to go to Erstavik, where the sea is also there. But the last 4 kilometers of that route are in off-road terrain, so I don't really want to use my road bike for that. Cool, so I'm gonna be chilling here on this spot over here, outlooking the lake. It's quite beautiful, isn't it? And yeah, then it's time to head back home later this evening. 10 kilometers I have. And yeah, the sun is back up now again. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Orhem, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.